welcome to another episode of Raga. This is the 13th episode. From this episode, I'm trying to make it more immersive for the viewer by doing some additions. This was actually a suggestion from my mother. She wanted to hear the songs which Anna and I list in this episode to give her a quick glance into them. I thought about it, and from this episode, I am including about 3 to 4 seconds of each song with the hope that there are no copyright issues from YouTube. For this new exercise, it takes considerable time as I have to make suitable edits, and consequently, Raga will be uploaded one episode per week. There's so much preparation required. Let's begin today's Raga episode. I'm going to play you 2 quick clips for you to identify today's Raga. You guessed it? Right. Madhyamavati. Madhyamavati is a very auspicious ragam, and every Carnatic music concert usually ends with a song in Madhyamavati. The reason is, when sung at the end, a state of equilibrium and tranquility is restored in persons who have been subjected to emotional appeals of a varied character in the concert. The original name of this raga was Madhyamati, which was later renamed during Mutswami Dikshitar's time as Madhyamavati. Madhyamavati is called as Subharagam, which is capable of warding off the sins caused by singing various ragas in inauspicious movements. Let's hear Anna's Madhyamavati followed by his top picks and comments.
Namaskaram. In today's raga, we will present to you Raga Madhyamavati. Raga Madhyamavati is a very famous and auspicious raga. This raga is sung in most of the kacheris and also used in two different ways. One is by singing this raga at the end to wind up the kacheri, and another time is to sing as a main raga of that kacheri between. And one of the most informative thing is, as per the Dakshin Bharata Sampradaya Bhajan, the 22nd Ashtapadi, which is also known as Kalyana Ashtapadi, is composed in this raga. The Kalyana Ashtapadi is composed in Raga Madhyamavati because it is a very auspicious raga, very suitable for elaboration of the raga because of the gap between the swaras are very even. And we will look into the kritis composed by other Vagayakaras in detail. The first kriti is the Dasar kriti, Bhagyada Lakshmi Bharamma. Next, Tyagaraja kritis, Nadu Pai, Rama Katha Sudha. These are the two very famous kritis of Tyagaraja Swamigal which are sung in kacheris. About Dikshidhar kritis, Dharma Samvardhini is the most famous kriti of Dikshidhar. Then there is one more kriti, Mahatripura Sundari. Shama Shastri's most famous kriti is Palinchu Kamakshi. When we come down to Swati Tirunal Maharaja kritis, Kausalendra is sung in almost all kacheris and very popular in Kerala. Then another kriti is Bhavaye Padmanabham. Papanasham Shivan's one kriti which is very very famous is Karpagame. Then one more kriti is there about Murugan. It is Sharavana Bhavaguhane. Uttukata Kavi has composed a most beautiful kriti which is used for Bharatanatyam recitals, which is Adada Ashankada Kanna. One kriti which we cannot forget and we will not forget forever is sung in Shabarimala, which is Harivarasanam. That Harivarasanam is composed in Raga Madhyamavati. What a beautiful song it is. When coming down to film songs, in fact I am not that much familiar about the Tamil film songs, but in Malayalam there are lot of songs composed in this raga. First one is Vadhu Varanmare, which is a duet song, and Kasturi Manakkunnallo. These are very old songs, old film songs, about in 1970s or 60s. Then one more most beautiful film song is that Kalpantha Kalatholam, which was sung by Sri Yeshudas. Then the most famous film song is Shankara Nada Sharira Para. These are the Kridis and film songs which is coming into mind and which are in my memory. Then to wind up Raga Madhyamavati, in many kacheris the musicians used to sing Nangugumo Ganavani, which is in Raga Madhyamavati only. Thank you. Namaskaram. Have a nice day.
It was a wonderful Madhyamavati, Anna. There are too many songs in Madhyamavati in Tamil film music. The Raja of Madhyamavati is Isaignani Ilayaraja. Let's go through the years. In 1960, Arbuda Leelaigal from Sivakami, M.K. Tyagaraja Bhagavathar, K.V. Mahadevan sir music. In 1967, Muttukkalo Kangal from Nenjirikkum Varai, lyrics of Kannadasan, music M.S. Vishwanathan, sung by T.M.S. and P. Sushila. What a beautiful song, which will make you hum the lines even after a single listen. 1968, Thirumal Perumaikku Nigaredu from Thirumal Perumai, T.M.S. sir. Great Kannadasan's line and music by K.V. Mahadevan sir. In 1978, Kandeen Engum Poomagal from Katrinile Varum Geetham, S. Janaki, Ilayaraja sir. 1979, Agaya Gangai from Dharmayuddham, Malaysia Vasudevan, Madhyamavati and Isaignani Ilayaraja were all made for each other. 1979 again, En Kalyana Vaibhogam from Adage Unnai Aradhikkiren, Vani Jairam and Ilayaraja sir music, brilliant song. 1979 again, Solai Kuile from Ponnu Urukku Pudusu, S.P. Shailaja's best. This, I believe, ranks among Isaignani's top Madhyamavati pieces. When I listen to this song, I want to go back to those good old days. In 1982, Nila Kayadu from Sagalakala Vallavan, again Malaysia Vasudevan, S. Janaki. This was a super hit movie and the song was even better. In 1984, Thalambuve Vasam from Kai Kudukkum Kai. 1993, Yajaman Kaladi from the Rajini super hit movie Yajaman, again Malaysia Vasudevan. 1994, Adiyile Seidi Solli from N. Asa Machan. Chitra sings for Deva's music. 1995, Anandam from Murai Maman, Vidyasagar's music. Unnikrishnan sings. Jairam and Goundamani were a riot in the movie. In 1998, Columbus, song from the movie Jeans. A.R. Rahman sings the popular song. 2001, Thom Karuvil Irundom from Prashant's movie Star, booming voice of Shankar Mahadevan. A.R. Rahman sir music, very refreshing song. 2013, Deivangal Ellam song from Kedi Billa Killadi Ranga. We have so many songs about mother's love, and this song is about the untold sacrifices done by our Appa. Deivangal Ellam, for those who miss their Appa, this is the song. Yuvan Shankar Raja and Vijay Yesudas, completely moving. 2016, Ninjanguttil Niye Nirkirai from the movie Dishum. Really, that's the name of the movie. Vijay Antony's music. This is again one of my favorite songs. And finally, the Hindustani equivalent of Madhyamavati is Madhumad Saran. It is sung during the harvest with exuberance. A vibrant example of a song from the movie Dabang is here. Munni Badnam Hui. In Raga therapy, the Raga Madhyamavati creates calmness in the listener's mind. Thanks, viewers, and let's meet another episode of Raga.